Hey, good morning, Andy Farmer. MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough on this 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Boat is equipped with twin 224 screw engines. Jump up here real quick, show you the helm. Got two hybrid touch displays, 295 hours on it. Boat was serviced in the spring. Walking around, you've got the optional jump seats on either side. It has bow cushions, remote for your Fusion stereo up here. This customer got tired of pulling the anchor all the time when he was offshore bottom fishing and installed this trolling motor. You can pull the pin, go back with your anchor windlass if you'd like, but it is on here. He uses it all the time. I've got a bay boat that I fish all the time with the trolling motor inshore, and if we're running offshore flounder fishing, we use the trolling motor instead of dropping the anchor. Seems to be the new trend, and a lot easier to move around and find the fish without having to drag an anchor. Transom seat here, flips down. Check that out for photos. Got a few little imperfections in the upholstery. No rips or tears or anything like that. Just highlighting them so you know what you're looking at. Down in the cabin, I'm gonna put this boat in the water and get some better profile shots, but you got all your cushions. There is a head down there. There's your the bow table, and goes in as a filler for the bow cushion. Upholstery up here is in great shape. Got blue whole side, blue, same gel coat underneath on the hardtop, Raymarine dome. Same thing over here. Helm seats are in great shape. Get a shot of the helm. Got a Fusion stereo here. Raymarine VHF radio there. A remote that goes for the Raymarine there. Glove box there. There's your second jump seat. If you're trolling, flip those down, face aft. Back up, 2 live wells on this boat and 2 in-deck fish boxes. Both of them are macerated, so you get ice water in there. You can pump the water overboard, and along with fish scales and all that good stuff. There's 1 live well. Pan around here, there's your second live well. You got good storage in these drawers here, great for tackle, so on and so forth. A little bit of mold in the caulk and along the seams. Good wintertime project to pop that out and recaulk. Guys, I hope you enjoyed just a quick walk around on this boat. It is nice, clean, serviced, up to date, and ready for the next owner. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.